Vineyard. The word vineyard refers to a piece of land where grapevines are cultivated, typically for the purpose of producing grapes for winemaking. It is a specific term used in the context of agriculture and viticulture. A vineyard is usually carefully planned and maintained to ensure the optimal growth and health of the grapevines. It requires specific soil conditions, proper irrigation systems, and regular pruning and maintenance. Vineyards are commonly found in wine-producing regions around the world, such as Napa Valley in California, Bordeaux in France, and Tuscany in Italy. Here are a few examples of how vineyard can be used in sentences. 1. The family-owned vineyard in the countryside produces some of the finest wines in the region. 2. The winery offers guided tours of their vineyard, where visitors can learn about the grape-growing process. 3. The winemaker spends hours each day tending to the vines in the vineyard, ensuring they receive the right amount of sunlight and water. 4. The vineyard's location on the hillside provides the perfect microclimate for growing high-quality grapes. 5. The winery recently expanded its vineyard, planting additional grapevines to meet the growing demand for their wines. In summary, a vineyard is an agricultural area specifically dedicated to growing grapevines for winemaking purposes. It requires careful planning, maintenance, and knowledge of viticulture to ensure the production of high-quality grapes.